kids ready to draw something fun. Let's draw a cup, yay! First, draw a big round circle, like the top of a donut. That's the cup's mouth, perfect. Now draw 2 lines going down. And make a little curve, wow! That's the bottom of your cup. Don't forget the handle. A cute, curly C on the side. Look at that, your cup is smiling already. Now grab your crayons. Let's color it red, blue, or green. Maybe it's a teacup, maybe it's for juice.